Akie Abe is a Japanese radio DJ and the widow of politician Shinzo Abe, who served as Prime Minister of Japan from 2006 to 2007 and again from 2012 to 2020. She was educated at Sacred Heart School in Tokyo, a Roman Catholic private elementary through high school, then graduated from Sacred Heart Professional Training College. Abe later worked for Dentsu Inc., the world's largest advertising agency, before marrying Shinzo Abe in 1987. The couple had no children, having undergone unsuccessful fertility treatments earlier in their marriage. Abe is from a wealthy Japanese family. Her father is the former president of Morinaga Co., one of Japan's largest confectionery companies. On April 27, 2014, she joined the Gay Pride Parade in Tokyo to show her support for broader rights to Japan's LGBT community. In 2015, she was photographed standing in a field of cannabis plants promoting the revival of the cannabis culture in Japan. Akie became popularly known as the domestic opposition party due to her outspoken views, which often contradicted her husband's. Abe was named as honorary principal of Mijo no Kuni, an elementary school under development by Moritomo Goken, but resigned in February 2017 after it was discovered that Moritomo Goken had purchased the land for the school from the government for 14% of its appraised value. Akie was the first spouse of a Japanese prime minister to actively use social media and was particularly personally active on Facebook and Instagram. While her husband was in office, Abe developed a close relationship with the Moritomo Goken Kindergarten in Osaka, which is noted for its conservative and militarist culture, including requiring students to memorize the imperial rescript on education. She opened an organic izakaya in the Kanda district of Tokyo, but was not active in management due to the arguing of her mother-in-law. She received a master's degree in social design studies from Rikyo University in March 2011. In the late 1990s, Abe worked as a radio disc jockey in her husband's hometown of Shimonoseki. She was popular in the broadcast area and was known by her jockey name Akie. Abe had various exchanges of views with many local people who were active in fields of education, medical services, agriculture, social welfare, and art. She conveyed her wish that friendship between Japan and the respective countries would be further promoted as triggered by this opportunity. Mrs. Abe also presented Akie Library to educational institutions in each country, in the hope that the presented books on Japanese language, culture and literature could offer more opportunities for learning Japan and Japanese culture.